Sumir. This is lovely. Thank you. Come here. Oh. This is so cute, you guys.
Yeah, we know. We knew that you're gonna love it.
Come on, get a hug. This is so kind. Thank you. I really love it. Thank you so much, Mama. So where are you guys going now? You want to make your own breakfast? Okay. But it's also Sunday, so we can go to church early. Okay. Careful. Hey. What are you guys making? Okay. Alright. Enjoy.
Why you not in bed? You should have breakfast in bed. We took our time making that.
Happy birthday to me! I can't finish 2 tea cakes.
Just finish it for us.
No, I can't finish it.
Okay, if you cannot finish it, you can just keep it.
Okay, I'll keep it. Thank you. So I actually made these tea cakes yesterday. This is so thoughtful. And it's the fact that they woke up quite early, and in my head I'm just thinking of the whole drama that went on in the kitchen before they brought this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hearty Indy. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hip!
Hooray!
Not Do you want this one? There's still cake here.
I'll check the book.
This one is.
It's like the most delicious thing you ever tasted.
No.
Yum.
Oh, I thought it was chocolate.
Yes,
Okay.
I love chocolate.
Drink it.
I don't like chocolate ice cream, but I like chocolate cake.
Don't like.
Like it's made of Milo, but it won't be, mega chicken.
Nice.
Not bad.
Well done. Birthday girl.
Lord.
Eh? Oh.
Dig in.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
Let's eat. Beauty pleasure.
Everyone, take your cup.
Eating for
Take your
Ready?
cup.
yes.
Take your
And
cup.
can I
Pass
take a
it.
cup to drink another?
Pass it.
Are we ready?
Yes. Let's go drinking.
Yes, you know.
Somebody should move.
Yes, you know, you're not serious.
Let's make a toast.
Let's go drinking.
Yeah, let's make a toast.
Alright,
Everybody, cheers!
Let's go drinking.
let's try. I have never tried.
Okay, let's
It
go.
was nice.
That's why I said I didn't want to drink it.
It's like, come and taste
This
it,
one is
Mama.
so- come and
take
taste
a
Mommy's
sip.
own.
Take a sip. Come and take a sip.
One more.
Oh yeah,
Tastes like Coca-Cola for some reason.
Yeah, like take a sip.
No, would you like it?
Yes.
No, I'm with others.
Hey guys, yay! I'm so happy, yay! Anyways, I'm just very thankful, honestly. See this cute flower? Guys, how cute is this? So lovely. Hi guys, hello, what's up? Hope we are well. Because for me, I have been a little bit under the weather. It's just been crazy. I haven't been feeling so well for the past, like, I think maybe 3 days. I haven't been feeling well for the past 3 days. So I was just like, but it feels good to like feel myself again. So because of that, I did not turn on my camera to vlog for the past 3 days except today. Today I was craving noodles, like just plain noodles with eggs. I went to make that for myself. I mean, I had that for dinner actually. I've had my shower and I just want to do my skincare this evening or tonight. I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to do the most minimal routine for my face today. So I'm using this Tiam for tonight. When I feel unwell, I'm like, gosh, I honestly sometimes really take the gift of good health for granted. I feel like I have a pimple coming up somewhere here. I can feel the pain when I clean my face. Yeah, so let me get onto my neck as well. I think it's like a sample size. This is it. This stuff works. I really took note of it so that I'll know what to say when I'm asked. So I just put it like on the spot where I have a dark, like acne scar, and it's been working. Like I really took note. Like I was so conscious of it. I'm like, let me see if this thing is going to work. And for real, is a good spot corrector or dark spot corrector. So I'm using this CeraVe Night Renewing Cream. It's got niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and a host of many others. Just going to do it while I avoid. My skin has been going through a lot this week, honestly. Sometimes, you just have like a very flawless skin. I know it doesn't happen to only me. Then other days you're like, what is going on? Like, who did I offend? I know we'll get back there. I'm not feeling my skin, honestly. Like, I'm not feeling my skin at all. Well, we are thankful regardless. Let me use my eye cream. So I'm using my same old ice cream. I was gonna say ice cream. I think I should get ice cream for myself tomorrow because it's in my subconscious. Yep. Lip balm. So I think I'm ready for bed. Even though I'm not going to bed immediately, I want to catch up on my series. I'm just starting anyway. It's not like I have anything I'm seeing currently. I want to look for something to watch on Netflix. But anyway, guys, that's it for my routine for tonight, and we'll catch up tomorrow.
What do you do when you are frustrated? Because there's a timeline on something you're praying for. And sometimes the timeline has not passed. Let me tell you what you do. You will step into a place of rest and say, God, I've seen you do this before. Number one, you never come late. That means every time you step in, what you do is that you make sure that what I get eventually is way better than what I asked for. Glory to God.